Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to show you how to use heat maps, user journey, and nudges to boost your Book Now conversions using the Causal Funnel plugin for WordPress. So let's dive in. First, we're going to take a look at the visitors on your site. Under this section over here, User Segment Statuses, we are able to see the user journey. This is where you can see what pages are losing visitors more quickly than others. If it's hovering around 5% or lower, there's definitely room for improvement, and that is where we're going to begin today. Here, we are able to see that there's a lot of pages that are doing well in terms of clicks, but when we go over here, we can see exactly what pages are struggling. That's where we're going to begin today. This User Journey tab inside your Causal Funnel dashboard shows us exactly the pages that are underperforming. This is where your users are dropping off or losing interest in your site. To get more information, we go to our heat maps over here. This is where we're able to see exactly where your users are clicking, how your visitors are interacting with your site, whether it's returning visitors, first-time visitors, organic traffic sources, or paid sources. This section here gives us heat map insights. Your heat map shows you exactly where your users are clicking and where they're not on your website. In order to fix this, you're going to need to launch a nudge. This is what you see in the bottom corner here. These are all the different credentials that you need to input in order to launch your nudge. This can change the color of the nudge, the background, the text, or the border. Then we put margins and a call to action. This is where everything regarding your button is controlled. You can either use a preset nudge from Causal Funnel or create your own. This here is our nudge position. This is where it shows up on your site. Next, we're going to go over to the margins to see exactly how, and then the nudge display conditions. This is what assigns the nudge the priority that it takes on your website. Some nudges will only be shown to certain visitors in certain locations, but this tells the site which nudge to display first based on the different priorities that you have set for the different campaigns that you are running. Each display that is being controlled is crucial to your website, so make sure that each nudge is being displayed properly and maintaining the professional appearance. When some things are not included here, it may cause an error or make your nudge look less professional. Here, we're able to see how the nudge actually looks on your website through the preview section. This is where we see exactly how your nudge pops up and how your customers are seeing it. This is a great time to adjust things like the code, who sees your nudge, or the colors of your nudge. Here, we're adjusting for certain criteria that determines who gets the nudge. Once you've been able to spot the problem and you've launched one of our customizable nudges in order to target this page and those users, you'll be able to see an increase in your conversions as customers are seeing more of what they're looking for. But in order to ensure that this is actually what your customers are looking for, don't forget to A/B test your nudge. After a few weeks, you'll see how your users are responding, whether it's boosting conversions or if you need a tweak. And that's it. You've just learned how to turn insights into action using heat maps and nudges. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more optimizations tips. Happy converting! We hope to see you soon here at Causal Funnel.